This is the problem we have here.
Elizabeth Marube is one of the fastest rising basketball players in the country. The Form 3 student at St. Joseph's Kitale is in camp at the Kenya Academy of Sports Youth Camp and hopes to represent the country one day. Jeff Mogire reports.
Elizabeth Marube is among the fastest growing basketballers in the country. The Form 3 student at St. Joseph's Girls Kitale is among the youngsters in camp at the Kenya Academy of Sports Youth Camp in Eldoret.
I started playing basketball in Form 2. My coach always told me never give up.
Standing tall at 6.2 feet, the 16-year-old hopes to don Kenyan colors in the future.
I want to play for the Kenyan team, national, and international league.
She has a bigger potential into the future. If you see in terms of her height, she has a great height. She has a great body physique in terms of the game.
Inspired by American Aja Wilson of Las Vegas Aces, she is determined to write history.
She's hardworking, strong, intelligent, and handles the game with pressure.
Marube hopes to be the next top star in the country. Jeff Mogire, KTN, Eldoret, Uasin Gishu County.